You know, today I think I got something you're gonna say to yourself after you're done seeing it. That's real nice like. Yeah, you're definitely gonna like this. Now, if you're a subscriber to this channel, which I'm sure you are, you would know that I went to Milwaukee IA up in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we took a look at the brand new cordless shop vacuums. They had the 6-gallon, the 12-gallon, which I really liked. Oh, they had that one in between. And the accessories that they had were insane. Now, I'm gonna tell you straight out, in a later video, we're going to show you hands-on every single accessory, but I don't wanna make today's video too long, so today we're just going to focus on the brand new 6-gallon cordless vacuum. I'm very excited. All right, so let's take a look at this, check it out. If you're in the market for a cordless vacuum, I think you're really gonna like this. We're gonna go over all the specs. I'm gonna show you all the cool things you can do with this and basically let you know if it is worth the moolah. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this right here. This is the only vac, this 6-gallon vac is the only vac that only uses one battery. The other two vacuums, you can use 2 batteries, and yes, it is a 36 volt. As much as they want to deny it, it's a 36 volt. Now the battery sits up in the front, super easy to put in and take out. And right here is your on and off button. And if I push up, now the one thing that was really surprising to me when this thing is on is how quiet it is, even on high. Now that's on high. If I'm sitting there talking, I can clearly have a conversation. It doesn't have that very high squealing noise, but I figured to myself, well, this thing isn't gonna suck very good, but unfortunately I was wrong. So definitely one of the most quiet vacuums in this size that I have ever used. Now the vacuum already comes with a couple attachments. Well, you got your wand right there, getting your crevice areas or whatever, and you got your larger vac attachment right there. And let me roll this around this way right here. You got this right here, and you got this right here. And what's real nice like about this is if I got an attachment, well, you got different size right here that anything will basically fit. Now the other thing that I love about this is, well, your hose management. And of course the hose size is, well, right there. But if I take this, instead of trying to put this in somewhere or whatever, I just go like this, take this right here, and go right over the top, and it stays in place. Now I want to show you this cart right here. This thing is also real nice like. If I want to, I just push this down, get my handle, lift up, and I can take that cart off. However, this cart makes it real easy to roll this thing around, and you can lock these wheels if you want to. And now if you don't want your vac as portable, you just put that back on and it locks in automatically. Look at it. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. There you go. Now, before I show you how much this thing sucks, I do want to show you one accessory, and this is the attachment bag. This thing is freaking awesome. Check this out. So on the front and the back of this bag right here, you got a couple different attaches or straps. Check out how this works. You got this right here, swing this around, go right here and right here. All you do is take your bag, put it down like so, and then just attach your hooks. And now even if I wanted to pick this up, it won't come off. I mean, unless you remove your hooks, then it'll come off. Got some super heavy duty zippers right here. You got the top and a sweet bottom. So check this out. Now you can throw all different types of attachments in there, and there, and there. And you don't gotta worry about these things falling out all over the place. It'll even fit your full-size attachment. That's real nice. But you wanna see if this thing sucks. So I had been using this vacuum for a little bit over a week. I really wanted to put it to the test. I wanted to see if it had any downfalls, if it was just powerful enough to do what a quarter vac would do. I wanted to make sure it was worth the moolah. And even though this is only the 1 battery to 6-gallon vacuum, I love this freaking thing. Not only does it suck up all the dry debris and larger debris as well, you can actually attach the hose right here and use this thing as a blower, so it sucks and blows. Check out how easy it is right there. Push it in, turn, that's it. Does pretty good. I want to show you one other thing real quick before I show you all that sucking. All right, so this hose right here, crazy strong, but say something cuts it or it breaks and you need a new hose. Well, all you do is screw off your old attachment or the attachment that you have for the thing, and you screw it on the new hose, and it's ready to go. Did I mention this is wet and dry vac? Oh, you say you want to see a lot of paper and dust? Well, look at all that sawdust right there. Paper in there, screws in there. Let's suck this thing out. Now you would think with this thing being as quiet as it is on high that it wouldn't have that much suction. It just doesn't sound like it's that powerful, but I can tell you that is not the case at all. And listen to this thing on low. La, 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 la. I've been able to pull up screws and paper and just dust and dirt and all kind of stuff when I was redoing this basement, or as I am redoing this basement, I'm finishing it up. This thing has been phenomenal with the way it works, the way it rolls around. I love this vacuum. And that's not even with using all the attachments. It's just the ones that come with it. But let's check out the inside here real quick. Comes with a nice filter in it. Got a real nice rubber seal going around here. It completely shuts this down and doesn't let that dust escape out of there. And of course, you got that 6-gallon tub right there. And if you were to decide to pull up some water, well, you just open this up right here, and that's where it releases. But you can see we have dust. All right, let me close this down and we'll talk about this right here. Now I've been getting about 40 to 45 minutes on a fully charged 12 AH battery. Not bad at all considering it's only one battery running this thing. And yes, you can even use bags in here. Milwaukee's coming out with their own dust collection bags. So if you don't want to use a filter, clog that thing up, you get some fine dust, drywall dust, you're going to be able to use them in here as well. Now using the crevice tool with this thing, man, it really draws in some of that air. Check this out. So much drywall dustage. Water. Forgot about that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn this. You don't have to worry about that thing down on the bottom now, Mo. Sitting there getting that dust all over the place. Just turn it, pop it, this comes off. If you wanted to, you could throw a water filter on there. Yeah, they do have them, but we're not gonna use one today. Right here, we have a 5-gallon bucket of water. Let's turn it on high and see what this thing does. I'm just gonna take that off right now. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo-hoo. Well, that's real nice, right? All gone. Ugh. Let's see what we got right here. Ugh, dirty water. And of course, if I want to dump this, I'm just gonna take that off right there. Step on this right there and lift it off. Let me say one other thing before I forget. This thing, being able to pull it around, no cord getting tangled up on anything in those casters, it works freaking amazing. All right, so what do I think? Well, let's be honest here. If you have a very large construction site project, very big job with just tons and tons of dust, this is gonna be a little bit too small. I think this is a shop or around the house type of vacuum. Even though I'm impressed, I would still go with the 2.5 inch if you were looking for the maximum power. Now, I am impressed with what this was able to do, but again, this was on a smaller scale. You're only running the one battery. With the 2 batteries and the 36 volts, you're gonna be way better off if you are in a construction area. As far as it goes with the plug-in versus a battery power, yeah, the plugs, they're gonna give you that constant runtime, which is great for a lot of people. However, if you have a super Milwaukee charger or a rapid charger, you switch these batteries out, they're going to be able to run on any Milwaukee battery, not just the 12 amp hour battery, even though that's going to give you the longest runtime. Yes, you can use your 5 AH, your high output 9 AH, or even a 3 AH to get this going to where you can charge your other larger batteries and then resume with that. I do think that the 12-gallon vacuum, or even the smaller size with the 2 batteries, is going to give you that corded performance. And even though this does an amazing job, the 6-gallon definitely for smaller jobs, but I still love it. I think they did a fantastic job with this vacuum, and I would definitely recommend it. Now, I will put a link in the description below for you to check this out. I wanna know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Do you feel that this is real nice like? I love hearing your feedback. Also, if you could smash that like button, that'd be greatly appreciated. And if you like videos, I'll leave one at the end of this one for you to check out. Make sure you get subscribed, hit that bell notification because we're uploading multiple times per week. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.